Very quickly, I want to show you how to use the secret, the law of attraction, to create your own reality fast. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Let's not waste any time and get right into how you can create your reality. Any idea, any thought, dream you have, how you can create it fast. To get what you want in life fast, it's very simple. Your wishes must turn into certainties. Your wishes must turn into certainties. How do most people think? Man, I wish I had more money. Man, I wish I would just meet my soulmate already. Man, I wish I would start losing some weight, or this diet would work. I wish this, I wish that, I wish. And what is that really saying? I don't believe I can do this, or this is possible. Therefore, I'm going to fantasize about the fact that this isn't going to happen, and I wish it did happen. Immediately when you think like that, you block the law of attraction from allowing what you want into your life. Because at every moment, you're sending a signal to your subconscious mind, which creates your entire life. And subconsciously, what you say when you say, I wish, is I don't have. And when you affirm you don't have something, your mind makes it possible for you to continue to experience the reality of not having it. Your mind doesn't know the difference between what you truly desire and what you don't want. It just simply accepts whatever energy or vibration you're coming from. I wish, I wish, I wish, I wish. I don't have, I don't have, I don't have. I will continue not to have. And that's how most people are speaking. Your wishes must become certainties. I know that there's so much financial abundance out there in the world, and I'm now attracting it into my life. I know there are so many amazing men out there, and I'm going to attract the perfect soulmate. I know there are so many beautiful women, not just the way they look, but their minds and their personalities, and I know I'm going to attract them into my life, and I set that intention to attract them into my life. I know that things are gonna start turning around here at work. I'm gonna come in with the most positive mindset that I can. My intention is for me to get healthy, and I know that I can stay focused on my fitness and my well-being. I know today is going to be amazing. How much more powerful is that? Pretend you and me were together, and I said this to you. I really wish today was gonna be a good day. What am I saying? Today sucks and I wish it was different than what it was. Imagine if I woke up and I said this to you. I know today is gonna be an absolutely amazing day. I'm going to attract so much prosperity, so much abundance, so much love, so much adventure, so much positivity. I know I'm gonna radiate positivity. That's my intention, and I'm gonna bring that back into my life in response. Get rid of your wishes, turn them into certainties, and make it I know list. Make an I know list. You know, most people make a little wish list around Christmas. Well, instead of Santa or whatever it might be, now it's the universe, the ultimate power of creation. And instead of making a little wish list for Santa, now you make a I know wish with the universe. Most people have a wish list. I wish I had this, I wish I had that. Turn it into I know and literally write it down. So you can write out, I wish I had more money. I wish I had my soulmate. I wish I had this job opportunity. I wish I lived here. And then flip it around and turn them all into I knows. I know that I am attracting amazing financial abundance into my life and doubling my income. I know I am attracting beautiful people into my life and having amazing romantic dates and whatever else that you want. Turn it into an I know list and feel the energy when you say I know. When you turn your wishes into certainties, your mind finds a way to bend reality. Reality is malleable. You can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want, but you can't do that until your wishes, I hope, I wish, becomes a powerful creative force, and you know, like you know, like you know, like you know, that what you want is on the way. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Hashtag down below, best day ever. If you're gonna have an amazing day, if you watch this video all the way through, I appreciate you. I'm blessing you with an amazing day, sending you so much positive energy for sitting and watching the video through. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We passed 200,000 YouTube subscribers. I love you, I appreciate you. Whether you're subscribed to this channel for 6 months, 1 day, or you haven't yet and this is the first video watched, thank you. There's so much opportunity for us to create so much more positivity. I believe that our world can become such an even more beautiful place to live when we begin to grasp the power of our mind and use the creative force of our thoughts, of our mind, correctly to create the life that we want and be an inspiration for others along the way. That's what this channel is about. That's what the mission is about. That's why I publish every day. If you watch, I love you so much. You're a part of my family. I appreciate you. Hashtag best day ever. If you're on board, subscribe, hit the bell notification, like this video, because the more that the videos get liked, the more that YouTube sends them out to other people, and my goal is for this to reach millions and millions of people this year, this channel. Spread the love. Thank you. I appreciate you. Hashtag best life ever. Turn your wishes, I wish, I hope, into certainties and start using those words to yourself, to your friends. I know this is coming today. I know this is coming to this month. I know that this is on the way. That powerful certainty, that state of knowing, is what bends the universe so that you can create what you want in your life. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, if you have trouble with that, with the certainty, I created a free success hypnosis. I've used it for 6 years. It's totally free. Over 100,000 people from all over the world, like almost every country, have now used this exact one. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It'll train your mind for success, for abundance, for prosperity. All you gotta do is plug it in, listen to it once a day, and amazing shifts will start happening in the way that you're thinking, in the way that you're viewing, in your belief systems, and the things that are coming into your life. It's jakeshypnosis.com. So have a beautiful day. Hashtag best life ever. Peace.